Welcome to Asset Lab. This is the Create screen, and you're on the Image tab. Let's make your first image. Start by choosing a model. Click the Model button. Models are grouped by family. For this image, we'll use Nano Banana 2. Click it to select. Next, describe your image in the prompt box. A good prompt names a subject, a style, and the lighting. Then choose an aspect ratio. Each chip is drawn in the shape it produces. We'll use 16 by 9. Before you run it, the Generate button shows the estimated cost of this render. That's what you'll actually spend. Click Generate. Your image renders in the cloud. Most models finish in 10 to 30 seconds. And here's the result. It's saved automatically to your gallery here and to the Pictures Asset Lab folder on your Mac. That's your first image. In the next video, aspect ratios, resolution, and social formats.